rounded corners. You got two options. You get the rectangle tool and the rounded rectangle tool. So the rounded rectangle tool, actually, it's in the name, it is a rectangle with, instead of very sharp points, it is rounded. You can see it right here. If I zoom in, you can see it's very rounded rectangle. Now you can even change that. To do so, you simply select the layer first, and by simply selecting it, first I'm just going to center it. You can change that to simply selecting it, and as you can see right here, we got these 4 little circles in every corner, and these are to control the roundness of your object. Simply click on it and drag it to the center to decrease or increase the roundness of your object. You could also choose to change only one specific corner. To do so, head over to the drag selection tool and click on any of the blue rectangles, so-called anchor points. Then select the circle, and when moving, only the selected corner will change.